Hello viewer, I recently bought a used car 2023 Lincoln Nautilus with the code P2457 exhaust gas recirculation cooling system performance. So I thought replacing the cooler would solve the issue. But after I removed the EGR cooler, I see this. One of the passes is closed or sealed with metal and it seems like it was done intentionally. And I ordered a new one. Looks at the new one, and all the passes are open. And I'm not this was order from the Ford Lincoln dealer, so they sent me this one. Exactly the same, except this. Now I'm confused if this particular model 2023 Lincoln Nautilus 2.0L reverse has one of the passes should be closed. If anyone have any idea, please comment below so I can put it back together. Thank you.